3.
Red team, one team.
So let's keep on our girl in a circle. So this is Oliver and Carla.
Yeah, it's gonna be the pleasure to meet you, man. Musical royalty. And not only that, but you're a great humanitarian myself. Very good. I saw you looking out for some people, you know?
Yeah, man. Nice to this. That's how we feel it.
Guess what I just heard? Yeah, you stay here.
Yeah. Refrigerator. Let me show you people the refrigerator. Oh, look at poses.
See that?
We say poses in our poses. Yeah.
Man, you could sell that, man.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
And these people is from London. Yeah, they gave me money when they came in and they saw me. And then, let me show you the refrigerator now.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire on a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose my faith. Then I want hear me mother drink sorry.
Pas de soleil, 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 How you doing, Esther? How you doing? You can't say that,
This is my striker.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de
So basically, this is where
Yeah.
I spend most of my time right here.
right at the front. General, I'll be there.
I do have
You see this room right here? The back room right there? The
Yeah.
room I used to stay in with the lady there.
Oh, in this front here, there.
Yeah, that's right. And there used to be a veranda right here,
Yeah.
and a fence right here, and a garden right to the front here.
But imagine, this is where Christopher live. Christopher in the yeah, Christopher here.
Kino,
Yeah,
come out of the house, yeah?
yeah,
That's it. Kino, no, let me go this way. So I'm walking around this way,
yeah.
and you guys are walking around this way.
Oh, so
I'm
that's
missing you.
yeah. So it's keep on going in a circle. So this is Oliver and Carla.
Yeah, see what I mean?
Pleasure meeting you, man. Musical royalty. And not only that, but you're a great humanitarian myself. Very good. I saw you looking out for some people, you know.
Yeah, man. Nice for this, you know? That's how we feel it. We feel that
Guess
way.
what I just heard? Yeah, you stay here.
Yeah.
This is where I live when I live here.
Is it?
Yeah,
In that room right there.
this side here, yeah.
I learned. I don't know if there's a veranda still there, but I learned to creep on the You see where the zinc fence is?
Yeah.
There used to be a Lincoln vita tree right back there. And my father used to cut deer right under that tree.
Imagine that.
Imagine that, eh?
So what year did you leave?
Here?
No, Jamaica.
Jamaica?
Yeah.
79.
79. Way back.
Yeah.
Telling us your age now.
Yeah,
Most of you weren't born in
yeah. Well, none of us. Yeah. Oh, Snoop. Yeah, Snoop. Story.
back there now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Story them time, though. Story. Story.
Someone lives in there now.
Sister in the back.
Story. Come here, story.
Then usually use the system then.
And them man, I don't know.
The kitchen, when you leave the sister, the kitchen is a this way to
System usually run on back.
This is
right at the back.
this is next art and list next Sunday, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
How you doing, man? Pleasure meeting you, man.
So, in Bar, you say, you know, you used to
No,
be
I was born on Second
Street
Second
and grew up here.
I grew up here. Bernice. Yeah.
You know who that?
Not gonna be bad.
Let me say Snoop. Snoop.
You know, Miss Mark, Miss Vida, Miss Iris,
You said Miss Mark?
No, I'm just bad.
lady that used to boy, I'm in here, Shannon Son, she said it together.
There used to be a man live here named Mr. John or something like that.
Mr. John.
Mr. John. But, you know,
Long time.
it's history and a lot of you guys are young.
You haven't them time here.
I know my mother.
Oh, if you don't know your mother. Oh. Good. No, them leave here when them young.
This house wasn't here when I lived here.
Yeah, no, this part front part, yeah, but
Front part never had
it's
that.
the same house, but the other on the front panel. Same house like all these other houses.
There used to be
People other than
there used to be just open space.
Yeah, right, turn it back to the
And
front.
there was a house with a big veranda. Tenement. And there would be a column like this. And another one.
They usually have a gate.
Yeah. And there was a fence right down this, over this way, there's a fence. And then the garden. I realized I was going up a small garden, but it's like a big garden. It's a very small garden. And I just saw a Batman through the window, a window right over here. You know, you couldn't go inside, but you know, you get a Batman, and you're like, oh, you know, so just over there watching, you know. But I really wish Bernice was alive, you know. But I guess nobody knows. It should be an old woman.
The lady, you know, name, the lady who's talking about, does a home in the come?
Yeah.
When I came to Jamaica the first time, I met her. I saw her for years, you know, and then she died. She lived right here, yeah, man.
Oh, she died.
She knew my dad, and she.
One of you just the candy and the
I can't remember her name, but I think it was Vida.
spider.
Yeah, she, you know.
You just the candy and the food.
That's so long.
Years ago, man.
So,
I know how many countries to make in the morning, you know?
Yeah. The change, but you know this, the house still remain the same, you know. You know.
But my sister-in-law, because she lived there, and my sister-in-law living.
Okay.
Diana.
Yeah.
So she built up on it.
Yeah,
So that's when it comes out.
Yeah, that's how it comes out this year. Just everything changes. And also grew up on 2nd Street, in Bob Marley Yard.
Okay.
Yeah, number 16. Years. So we'll walk around the next.
What state you guys, where do you live now?
Florida.
Florida, okay. I'm always in Miami, you know?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah. Yeah, only last month.
Oh yeah? Nice weather. This time of year is nice, really nice to be there.
Musical. Really music.
I've been to Miami more times than I've been to Jamaica.
Cause music.
Yeah. Yeah, for the record label.
Music. I'm good, man.
Ready for the game?
Yeah.
When's the game?
Saturday.
Okay then.
Yeah.
Sorry we're gonna miss it.
I'm telling you. We're not gonna miss it. So him say my warm up. He's warming up for the dream team, say. But we're not gonna play till the following match. And next week we are play against you. You know, so next week then we have a showdown, you know?
So what, is it one game a week or two?
Yeah, there's four games each weekend.
Okay.
Yeah. So you know, this weekend we're playing against 1st Street. That's victory. So next week now is meow, you know?
Is it?
Problem.
You didn't tell me about it.
Yeah, problem. Next week.
Is that like a tougher?
No, I'm playing against Kino.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
He's playing against me next week, you know?
That means you gotta practice a little more.
It's very good.
So we have to go practice. Yeah. Same stuff, I'm early. Look, see there? They've been training already. They're in training. Yes, Snoop. Don't drop it, you know. That's what Snoop always good at, you know. Yeah. Snoop, you're on camera, don't drop it. Clapper, watch everything while I go on. I'm saying Salah now go on too well. No, can I get money game? Money, yeah. Sadio. Alright, but right. One time I could have keep it till tomorrow, we drop it already.
This fighter!
Can't believe Snoop drop it. Normally, you know, drop them ball, they walk on.
Pleasure. So this is towards us. Oh, we're going down.
Yeah. So we're on Carla Smith. You know, this is Carla Smith Drive.
Yes, get ready
For go on, man.
Kino,
Christopher.
can you jump this?
Yeah.
See them do it all the time, you know?
Yeah. But you can't jump it, man. It's probably when you're younger, you probably can't, but you can't jump it. It's not easy jump. But me know why you jump it, don't jump it.
On camera?
Yeah, don't jump it.
Kino, if I attempt it and I miss, viral like I'm viral.
That's why I say me know why you jump it. Eh?
Never.
Subscribe.
Eh?
Subscribe.
You subscribe? So you have account already? Or you say you're gonna have account?
Eh?
Or you subscribe?
Go on a page and subscribe.
You subscribe? Oh. And you share it too? Eh, how old are you? How old are you? 9. See the 9-year-old has subscribe and share. Three, 2, 3.
Kino, build the dream team. Yeah.
Christopher Ellis in the building, you know.
We're there.
We're there all the way.
Still like funny. That's a plum tree, right?
Yeah.
I haven't had one of those plums in over almost 40 years.
40. The plum not right, Natisha?
Yeah, from the panic.
Plum the pan it, man. Come. I'll get Natisha, yeah.
Second street to that owner, right?
Yeah, I don't know, sir.
I was there like about 2 years ago, I think. Remember I sent you the picture?
Yeah.
Jamaican dinner this time.
No, we had enough last night, man.
Alright.
You know the resort, all they do is eat, right?
Yeah. So this is your
I'll send you a copy of my birth certificate so you can see.
yeah.
Hey, look, a little Indian.
We've been here that one time.
Yes,
Yeah.
a couple of years ago we came here and visited.
So this is Oliver. Oh, this is. I wish number 16 again. Where is 16?
I thought the whole building was 16.
Oh, was the whole, oh, the whole, no? The whole yard is 16.
We'd have 19 the whole yard.
Okay, okay.
That's why I don't know where my mother used to live.
So you know the yellow door is Miss Dolly.
Dolly, yeah.
And
The little girl right
yeah, little girl, right? And this side is where the Bob Marley side. Bob Marley.
You know,
his mother.
after the fire, I heard that he lived there.
Yeah. Yeah, so. Yeah.
After the fire, I was listening to the news, and it says it's the home where Bob Marley used to live, and they're going to reconstruct the home.
Yeah, yeah.
Up until then, I didn't know.
Yeah.
And you know, the funny thing is that my father said to me that he was having an argument with my mother sometime, you know, when they lived here. And he said that Bob said, hey man, stop arguing so much.
Oh.
And at first I didn't believe him, and then he asked my mom, her name was Darius. I said, right Darius? I said, yeah, you remember him. And he said, that boy grew up to be a good, a famous singer, you know.
So it's one of these house. You don't know which one. It's one of these.
I don't know where.
Don't know which one.
I'm
Boy
going to
knows.
send you a copy of my birth certificate, you'll see.
Yeah. But it's in this yard, number 16.
Here, there, whatever. You know?
Yeah, you see that?
Just pull it up and there's a string, you would wrap it around the nail.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I can tell. But as far as where she lived, and the only reason I know about this guinea tree is my sister told me.
Oh, so you remember about him?
Yeah, that she said there's a big guinea tree, 16 seconds.
Yeah.
So when I went and visited Culture Yard,
Then bring it here.
I told them 16th Street with the big guinea tree. And they said, oh, we know exactly where it is.
Yeah.
But I couldn't tell you anything from any memory because I left when, you know, I didn't leave Trenchtown. I just wasn't here because my mother couldn't take care of me. So she told my father to come and get me. But he left me with her because he was working at the time. And she
Okay.
used to sell downtown. And when he got a job working at Trenchtown Comprehensive High School, then he could afford to take care of me. So he came and got me when I was months old. And by this, he was working up there, so he had me stay with a lady on 4th Street, Bernice. And it's not the young Bernice. This is a woman who would be about 85 or even older if she was alive right now. You know, I did something terrible when I was young. I cut one of the seats that she had. The little dining seat, and she cried like a baby boy. She was like, "Oh my God, I got." But you know,
Remember those dining chairs when you cut it, they got the sponge under it? One of those.
the little wire, you know, not wire, but you know, and the whole flat.
No man, them ones in spring, man. You know them settee with a farm icon table.
Yeah.
And then
Thank
the
you.
table and then
And the
the
sponge
upper
right under
sponge
it.
on top of it.
Thank you.
The plastic covered the sponge.
Yeah.
Exactly.
But to me, the sponge was kind of real pretty to look at, so I cut the thing. And then that's when I realized, you know,
Prefect knows about that sponge right under it.
Yeah. Prefect no.
the little metal legs, you know.
Yeah, metal legs. They are metal.
And,
table legs are metal.
The tabletop looked like a farm icon,
Farm
like
icon,
a decorative.
farm icon.
Man, that was her world, and I messed it up. And I can't do anything about it now because she's gone.
Some they use and we have apple phones that they can print and
Coats used to sell them.
Yeah, that was back in the days, you know, everybody had them. Everybody had them. If you're middle class, poor, even rich, well, the rich people might have mahogany and all that kind of stuff, but you know. But you know, it's just.
So it's one of these. It's one of these houses.
Yeah,
I
but
don't know which one, boys.
Like I said, this is just said Montego Bay or St. James, but she won't tell you anything else, you know.
Yeah.
So this is as far back as I
And this will definitely live on, you know. This memory will
I hope they fix up that room or whatever they're gonna do. You know?
Yeah.
Alright, man.
Alright, so
To get back to base.
yeah. Go walk through the yard.
Alright, I'll follow you.
So we're gonna take Oliver through. They made the shortcut. So this is where who live in this yard uses pipe. You know, this is a bathroom as well. They don't have bathroom.
Are you serious?
Yeah, they don't have bathroom in here. So this is like where
People I'm sure right here.
yeah, shower, everything right here. So this is the only pipe in the yard the people can use.
That much I understand, but
And they shower. This is where they shower. There's no shower in the
so how
yard.
do you get privacy there? They bring out some stuff?
No, it says sometimes you pass and see them having shower. Rough.
Good life.
Good life.
Good life. One thing.
One thing. Barney Bob.
Big up yourself, you know. Big up the team, you know.
Yeah.
My team still, you know.
We have the great man in the place. We have the great colors.
Oh, what one? I present to you. Oh,
Yeah.
this is Mr. I present to you none other than
Yeah.
the mighty
Mighty colors.
You guys don't afraid of bees, yo?
Yeah.
Hear that? Man,
Go for the bees.
I'm some one-liners, you know. But you know,
Yeah.
he told me today about the cottage round there.
Yeah, here about the cottage.
Jacuzzi bed round there. Yeah. As I lie on it,
Relaxing.
the chocolates. But man, I don't even remember say he told me about this UV.
So you really drop asleep after I'm leaving around here?
You could ask that, bro. You know, so late I wake up, bro. Chocolate on there? No chocolate is around there.
No
I
Hershey's.
don't plan to bring no chocolates around there till the refrigerator
So chocolate can keep cool, it not melt.
with its right. So what is this lovely lady name?
This is Carla,
Oh, Mrs. Oh, I heard
aka
about
Diana.
when I saw you and Hosey the last time
Yeah.
at the country there.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, this is Derek Smith, aka Juki Jam Plus, Mr. Colors.
Colors.
Real name is Derek.
Derek Smith, yeah, and the bogus Juki Jam, and then you people over there change it to Mr. Colors.
Colors.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
I like all of them. All of the names. All of them is nice.
You know, even more while I'm at the airport, people who watch Kino program and they saw me, when every time they get outside of the plane and they saw me loud screaming.
Well, the last time we came to Kingston and we were looking for you.
Oh my
God. We missed
Yeah, they missed the flight.
Yeah, I think I supposed to was at the airport. Oh, Kino
Alva.
Oh,
Alva.
show you something.
Colors.
Okay. This is the jacuzzi bed right here.
Oh, nice.
And this is supposed to be Mr. How are you doing, sir? Nice to meet you, bro.
I went all the way to Kingston Airport looking for you, man.
Oh my gosh. I wasn't there, cause I was over there since last night. Because, what's your name again?
Oliver.
Okay, let me show you something right here.
You're going too fast. You're passing all the good stuff.
Oh my god.
Now keep on, you know what I'm
This
talking
outfit
That's you right there.
was from last night. So we took some pictures at the airport.
Nice. Very nice.
Look at poses.
Yeah.
So this is everybody love my pictures.
Yeah, that was nice.
Leno and black.
I like it.
Lelo. It's not yellow. Lelo. It's Lelo.
Kino, they love it too, you know.
Yeah, I like it.
I was in it Saturday.
Yeah.
And then over by the airport again.
Nice.
It's we say poses, you know.
Hello.
Yeah, and this lady, she's from the Bahamas.
Yeah.
I was over there and I don't see this lady come and hug me. I said, Colors, what you doing, bro? I said, who is this? She said, we watch you on Kino program, bro.
And she's from the Bahamas.
Yeah. She
Yeah.
said, I'm virgin too, bro. And she gave me a little smile.
Yeah.
I think she said when she get up back, she gonna send me something towards my refrigerator. Let me show you people the refrigerator. Oh, look at poses.
See that?
We say poses in our car. Yeah.
You can sell that, man.
Oh my gosh. And these people is from London. Yeah, they gave me money when they came in and they saw me. And then, let me show you the refrigerator now. This gentleman is from the Cayman Island.
So you're saying you have a new refrigerator now?
No, I don't get, I have like 30,000 leave to go get it.
Okay.
Yeah, you get, this is your cheap right here.
Nice.
Yeah, I paid on like 24,000.
Okay.
I'm Carla, you see, I do an injury. When I really sit down, you know, I'm always out.
Nice
You're
one.
moving, man. That's
Yeah.
why you're gonna
Nice size for your apartment too.
Yeah, and then now, this is the coach from London.
Nice.
That's in the
Yeah, Stefan.
that's in the
Wow,
cottage.
the cottage. So you wanna come take a look right now?
Why do you think I come all the way here?
Oh my, Kino. After we go late to airport, man, let's get around there, bro. They are.
Right.
I think I'm gonna come all this way.
Yeah.
I've never been.
Never been there. I want to see the cottage. You show the cottage. Come there. Okay, welcome to the cottage. One here. Looking at Jokey Cottage, you know? The cottage. Oh, what's your squad?
Colors closed on the line, so I don't want no business. Beat you guys.
Look on color clothes and one line. Look on the line. Look on the clothes.
Colors.
Oh my gosh. Welcome to the cottage here, bro.
Guinea. I see this one, Oliver. It's been here for years.
Yeah.
Years. This one.
Oh yeah.
Years. So I mean, I look, oh boy.
Man, I don't know if I can go up this step. My legs is about giving out.
Oh, I just shift the curtain so you can stand up and see.
It's the
Oh,
This is Oliver.
yes,
yeah.
This man here, we shift the curtain.
Shift the curtain.
You know when you know when your kids they get new ties
yeah.
and you're proud of it, you should do what your friend.
It's more appreciation than
Yeah, but no, that's why I appreciate it like it's a new tie, you know?
appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
What you say?
Appreciate
It's a
it.
Falco, bro. In here was a Falco. Let Kino tell you, bro. I'm the scholar. They supposed to watch the video.
Hey.
In here was a Falco. Yeah, I couldn't sleep
Hey,
at
Christopher,
night.
you know what got me? He had no flooring.
Yeah, there was, yeah.
You could see right through the
See
floor.
right through on the ceiling, bro. Oh my God.
And they fixed them up.
A half full side.
They must take care of it, man.
People love about me from me get the help.
You maintain it.
Oh my gosh. Because I have to make you people feel proud. I have to make Kino feel proud. So now it's just the refrigerator now. Because whenever time I go to the airport, I start I'm hustling a little thing. If I want 2,000 or 3,000, I bring it down the store. Yeah, so they have like 30,000 leave now to go get it. So yeah, man, I have to
Analyze himself, you know. So this is the cottage.
As we've been talking about.
Oh, and this is what I get off the flight. My head rests right here. I'll get it off the flight. How was it look? Mr. Ellis, you know the last time I heard somebody say colors, I was at the airport. I saw him. Yeah. Yeah, but that please in the road,
So that is the cottage.
Yes. Live and direct, man. Nice.
Are these sheets?
Watch I know. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch I know, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better day.